Okay, this is for controlling the oil feed using the signal. Flipping it to this side is signal controlled oil feed, and this side is timed oil feed. For timed oil feed, you adjust the oiling time right here. You can set it in seconds and also in milliseconds. And over here is the number of times, once, twice, you can adjust it here. This is the number of oil feeds. For example, once per second or 4 times per second. You can adjust that right here. And this side is for the signal. Whichever point you want it to spray the oil, you go to that point and set the angle. And this here is the power cable and the signal cable. This 24 volt and 0 volt wire connect to the power source. It's a 24 volt power source. And these other two are the signal wires. These are for connecting to an electronic cam or a mechanical cam, which is used to control this signal. Let's say I want to feed oil at the 9 o'clock position. You connect these two to the electronic cam and then set the cam to around the 9 o'clock position. It will then spray oil once. It sprays once for every cycle, once for every cycle. And this here is the air inlet. You need to have air coming in from here. This is to turn on the air. It's the air valve. This is for adjusting the air pressure. Okay, and this is the oil outlet. You connect a tube here for the oil outlet. Okay, for the oil outlet, you take a tube and connect it here. Just connect it right here. The oil is fed in here, and you can adjust each of these to dispense oil. The oil will spray out, it will come over, and then the oil will drip down from here. And when it drips down, it falls into this trough here, into this trough. And then at the bottom here, there is a port. This port is for, you run a tube from it back to here, and the oil will be recycled back into this oil tank, so you won't waste any of this oil. Yes, so every time it just works in a cycle like this. Okay, everything else should be fine.